Hey, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to SHIB update. So SHIB is not really dead, pretty much alive at the moment, and still trying to get somewhere, some direction. Now, last time we had a double bottom. Unfortunately, that double bottom is kind of ruined a little bit, but still, there's nothing major bad here. And what I mean by major bad is that it's not really as bad as it may seem at the moment, not just yet, because we still have your resistance line previously that has been broken above. Now the best thing is that it is still acting as support at the moment. So yes, you've come down, you've retraced a little bit lower, but you ended up having this as your support at the moment. So just check all the things: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, break above, come down, push a little bit down, and then finally come down. And you can see that this is really coming in as support at the moment. So perhaps this can even actually be the end of this red bloodbath that we've been looking for the past few weeks, ever since we saw SHIB moving to the upside. So let's hope that at this point onwards we start to move to the upside. And I think the next technical target that really makes sense to me is going to be hopefully 2331 and come up and break above here and try to push all the way to the upside. So that's all for this quick update. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.